me Simmy and welcome to another super exciting episode of La Maison L'Oréal Paris, your one stop for everything beauty. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit on the bell icon so that you are notified and updated every time we upload a new video. Now earlier I used to get my hair blow dried and hairstyled from a salon, but now because we cannot go to a salon, I'm trying to recreate the exact same blow dried hair at home. And as I said, I'm really bad at styling my own hair, so I have a friend Sonam Babani who's really good at it, and she's gonna take us through the entire blowout tutorial. So we're gonna call her up virtually because this is how we've been doing it these days. Hi Sonam, how are you doing? It's so good to finally see you.
Hey Simmy, it's going good. Just getting used to this lockdown life. What about you?
Same. So I actually called you for a reason. Now I was thinking, because your hair looks so beautiful, every time I see your pictures it looks like you just freshly walked out of a salon with that nice blowed out hair. So I wanted to understand, how do you blow dry your hair by yourself at home?
Oh, thanks Simmy. Honestly, it's super easy. Everyone thinks a great blowout is all about technique, but it's also about all the products and using the right tools. And you've called it a great time because I've literally just washed my hair and I'm gonna do a quick blowout right now. So do you want to see how I do it?
That sounds perfect. I cannot wait to see how you blow dry your hair because I'm such a beginner at it. So let's get started.
Now, you know, the one thing we don't realize at home is that we don't really prep our hair like they do in the salon. We just do a quick wash and then we start to blow dry it. So it's really important to use nice products and wash our hair really well. I want to show you my go-to product when it comes to prepping for blow dry. It's the L'Oréal Paris Total Repair 5. It's one of my favorite products because it cleanses my hair so beautifully. Now I have a slightly oily scalp, so this washes my hair out so well.
Yeah, I mean, I've used this product too, and because I have naturally fine hair, it gives me a lot of volume, and you know, I've chemically straightened my hair, so it just protects me from all of the, you know, the damage and everything. Also, I've heard another thing about prepping your hair before your blowout is that you have to double cleanse your hair. So once you cleanse your hair to take out all of the gunk and all of the buildup from your hair, and the second time you just wash it to just ensure everything is nice and squeaky clean. So is that true?
Yeah, it's super important to have a very clean scalp. Now Simmy, coming to the second and one of the most important steps to prep for that blowout is using a conditioner. Now my favorite conditioner is the L'Oréal Paris Total Repair 5 Advanced Repairing Conditioner, and I know you use it as well. Now Simmy, my third most favorite product is the L'Oréal Paris Total Repair 5 Serum. Now why I love using this serum before my blowout is because it's that perfect frizzy hair hack, and because we use so much heat on our hair because of what we do, our hair tends to get super frizzy, as you know. So I think this works really well for that, and it's also super easy to apply. So what you do is just take 2 to 6 drops on your fingers, and then you just run your fingers through your mid-lengths to your ends, just like that. I'm gonna tell you about the 2 main tools that you need for the perfect blow dry. A hair dryer, of course, but what's important about the hair dryer that you're using is one, that it's very important that it's comfortable for you to hold, and the second thing is the flat tapered nozzle, which is super key when it comes to getting that salon like blow dry. The next tool is the round brush. Now this is again very important for getting that right shape, and you have to pick your round brush based on the length of your hair. So now Simmy, the first step is to pre-dry your hair. This is a very important step because it's important for your hair to go from damp to dry rather than style it from wet to dry. Firstly, because it holds your hair a lot better. If you style your hair when it's wet, it'll honestly just weigh down and open up. And the second thing is, it also damages your hair a lot lesser when you're styling it when it's damp. So Simmy, I'm just gonna pre-dry my hair now. Okay, so Simmy, now my hair is pretty damp, and the next step is to section your hair before you actually style it. So I'm gonna make 4 sections. I'm gonna section the crown out, then I'm gonna do 1 on each side and 1 on the back. But if you have thicker hair, then you can make more sections, and if you feel like your hair's finer, then you can even do it 3 sections. So here we go, my hair is all sectioned. I know it looks a little crazy, but this is literally the easiest way to do it. Otherwise your hair will be all over the place. So let's start. So I'm gonna start with opening up one section at a time. You take your round brush and you work it from your root to the bottom with your hair dryer. Start turning it upwards and then you blow dry it like this. Now what's really important is that you hold the nozzle downwards. This also protects your hair and the shine of your hair. So this is how it looks. The other thing to remember is that once you're done with using the heat on your hair, you switch to your cool setting so that it locks there for a couple of seconds. So when I'm basically using heat, once I'm done with that, I switch to the cool setting for 5 to 10 seconds and this helps lock my style really well.
That looks lovely.
Thank you. So now let's go to the other side. Okay, so this is looking great. Now I'm gonna get to the top part. So I'm gonna open up this section. So here it is. So Simmy, what do you think?
You look absolutely gorgeous, babe. Your hair looks so glamorous and I cannot wait to try it out myself.
So we have this step left, the serum. All you do is take a wee bit on your fingers, rub it in, and then you just brush it in there with your fingers, really simply. So wasn't it super easy?
It was so easy, I cannot tell you. I mean, I literally got lost while you were doing and I was so into your techniques and how you were doing it. So I'm definitely trying it out and I'm gonna send you a picture. You tell me how it looks. And thank you so much for sparing the time and teaching us all of your techniques and being here on our show. It was lovely having you. So you take care, babe. I'll see you soon. Thank you.
And remember, Simmy, all you need is the right technique, the right tools and the right products. And I cannot wait to see your look.
Yes, definitely. I'm sending it soon. So I hope you guys enjoyed this salon blowout at home hair tutorial. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up so that we know what kind of videos you like and we can make more of such hair tutorials with you. And also don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit on the bell icon so that you're notified and updated every time we upload a new video. And all of the products that we've used in today's video are mentioned in the description box below. And if you guys have any hack, any tip that you want to share with me regarding how to blow out your own hair, please let me know in the comment section and I would love to try it out myself. And with that, it's a wrap for now. Stay home, stay safe you guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye! Hi guys, I hope you're staying home and staying safe. I'm proud to share that L'Oréal India has taken a step towards helping our country in this time of need through their initiative called L'Oréal India Gives Back. Click the link in the description box to know more about it.